Oh, here we are back out in the garage again. I've fixed this thing, I think. I can put that back in the car. And you can see the red stuff. That's my red foam stuff. And that's what I've been using on my roof rack thing. So we'll unscrew that and see what we're up against here. There we are. It's going to work well, I think. Yeah. These old ones, oh, you can see they're a little crusty. And one's missing. One I couldn't get off of the railing when I took this off last time. It stayed on there. I had to scrape it off. I thought I'd point this out. Just straightening. This is kind of offset again still. Oh. These, I'm calling them turbicles because that's what they do. They do the same thing turbicles do. I'll know this. Can't really tell, but this is the profile of a wing. It's curved on the front. It's obviously has lift. And I'm sure that this is put on here to stop cavitation. And by cavitation, I mean wind noise. Sneaky Volvo engineers. You can see what I mean here. See, there's the rubber. It's not really like rubber anymore. It's that. And there's a piece that's missing. And this one is the bottom piece of rubber. And there's a piece missing on the top. There's our nice solid stuff. You can see in here, I still got some rubber. I've got to scrape that off. And I'll hit it with some sandpaper and make the surface ready for our 5-minute epoxy. I'll get it glued up. Where did I put my sandpaper? 100 grit. That'll do it. My 5-minute epoxy. And I haven't turned my heater on. So it is cold out here. Let's see if this stuff will come out. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That's coming out great, isn't it? This will help. Yeah, that makes a difference. This is quite thick to stir. I don't know if it's good to use frozen epoxy. It is minus, I think -5 out. This is how I'm setting these. I'm using the shape of the screwdriver to hold it in place. See that? That's how. fuses are in, and they're correct. They fit nicely. I guess you could put these on backwards if you wanted. There we go. We'll let this dry. Not on my screwdriver. So everything can dry now, and we will come back to it. I don't know, a couple hours. 5-minute epoxy. We'll give it a little while. Almost forgot, I want to put some white lithium grease so we don't have any problems with this not coming undone in the future, as it was a kind of a trick to get them off. They didn't really want to come off that easy. Look at that. Come on, YouTube. Don't fail me now. This is the 4th time. Man. This has been going on for probably half an hour now. I'm gonna leave it and see what happens. How discouraging, eh? I'll try and do this with Power Director as well. I'll try and upload it on it at lower quality. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know. Nope, not gonna work. Okay. Don't get it. Don't get it. So, trying again. We're going to produce it again in another MPEG file, different size, and try and upload it again. Don't know what's happening with it. Well, while that's uploading, I'm going to take this apart, and I'm going to put it on the car. That's the whole idea of doing this. So, making it so it can go on the car, not hurt the car. Okay. So there we go. Those are the jaws we just glued. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of lithium grease, and we'll be good. So a little dab will do ya. There we go. There we go. You can see a little bit of the red. I'm not concerned about that. Okay, we're giving the roof racks a test drive. Kidding. Just got a call from my beautiful wife, and she wants to go for lunch. So we're going for lunch. surprise location. I don't know where it's gonna be either. Or either. Off we go. Not beautiful light. We're surrounded by art in a gallery. Mood.
I want to try that.
Unicorn. Stan would have a great time here with all those sock puppets. Restaurant.
Are we doing good time?
I don't know, do you have to be back at a certain time?
No, well, I have to be back to pick up Dad.
No, then we're good till 3, 4. It was delicious. Hers was too. We've done our lunch. What a lovely lunch. What was it called? Plant Matters? Plant Matters.
Plant Matter.
Plant Matter. That's delicious. Hey, sweetie pie. There she goes. I dropped Heidi off at school. She's got some more work to do. And me is gonna play around like normal. Every other day. We'll wrap it up here too. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things and don't forget to put your roof racks on before it gets too cold to do that. Just thought I'd mention that this is attempt number 5. We're at 5%. That's better than it's been so far. Let's hope. Come on. 22 seconds left. Look at that. Come on. How many left? 20. Hang on. Come on. Oh, 100%. 14 seconds left. Not the best math there, but that doesn't seem right. Come on. 5 minutes. Hang on. Hang on here. What's going on? Well, we'll see. If you guys see a video, put a thumbs up.